I think this is plugged in. It should be. Maybe it's not. Hey everyone, I'm not sure when I'm gonna air this video, but I just wanted to do a fun little makeup chat as I get ready for church. Anyways, I'm in my office. I'm starting to do makeup here because there's not a whole lot of room, counter space over there. So I've got my coffee and we can do a little chat. But yeah, I have been running around like crazy trying to get ready for my school semester, which is coming up. It's gonna be insane. This is gonna be the most craziest it's ever been. And not only am I taking 2 classes, but I'm also doing like an internship that's gonna feel like full-time. And you know, I just have never had a 9-to-5 job. So to do a 9-to-5 job and then also not get paid for it, it's gonna feel super weird. It's gonna be really interesting. Wow, I put a lot on. Whoops. But I wanted to talk about some mindset things. When I first found out that I was going to be doing an internship and stuff, I was super hesitant and felt very like not prepared. And it's just not good to go into something feeling that way. And so obviously what you can do is definitely prepare for things. But another thing that you can do is just do some mindset exercises and tell yourself, this is gonna be a great day. Or say out loud, this is gonna be a great experience. Because it really does help things. And an internship can be really intimidating for any career, but I've heard really bad stories about internship situations and stuff, and so it can make or break kind of the future. And so I think too, because I tend to think more of like what I am lacking versus what I bring to the table, I have to really focus on my thought life and take captive every thought and just remind myself, hey, you're here for a reason. It's okay to be learning. It's okay to feel like you're learning because no one likes that feeling. I mean, I'm almost 30 and I am so tired of being in this like feeling like I'm an intern because I felt that way a lot. My previous radio job, like I just felt like I was always learning new things, which is great. And I was so down for it, but with the respect, it never came. So the respect didn't come with the learning. So I think I got like really burnt out by that. And then starting a whole new career in my mid-20s, it can be really difficult. And so if you find yourself in that season of learning, like have some grace for yourself. It's harder and harder the older you get to learn new things, but I think we should always be in a season of learning. I'm trying to think of who it was, but I was watching a whole message on leadership and how you're constantly juggling leadership and learning. And it's like this thing of a balance because you need to always be learning, but you also need to be leading if you find yourself in that position. And so it's like a juggling of like knowing what you're doing with your business, with whatever you got with your family, knowing what you're doing, having that confidence, but at the same time being teachable and being humble when you know that you need to be learning a few lessons. So I don't know, I think it's a really good mindset to have. This, I've been using Thrive Cosmetics. Guys, because I'm in school, I have been doing makeup on a budget, and everything that I like, I don't know if you guys are like this, but everything that I like, I'm sticking to it. You know, I'm at that point, I'm like, if I like this, I'm just gonna stick to it. And I A lot of the times I take my bronzer and I use it for my filling in my eyebrows. Just so that I'm not buying an extra thing. I think here's the thing with fashion in the makeup industry, you gotta be careful, because here's the thing. They profit off of you feeling like you need another thing. And you know what? It's 2022. The economy is what it is. You're busy. You know, you're probably trying to do all the things. And we just don't have time for that, you know? So let's not buy extra things, and let's save a couple bucks and use our brow stuff, use our contouring for our brows. I don't know, this is a little hack, but NYX literally has the best eyeliner ever. It stays on forever. It's such an easy pen to use. I'm sure you could probably do it better than I. I'm like the worst at this, like seriously. Oh my gosh. And I'm not a perfectionist, I'm an artist. So if it looks good from far away, it's good enough for me. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Guys, I need a haircut so bad. Like, I need a haircut, and I need to go to my girl Gina. If you're in the Chicagoland area, she is by far one of the best hairstylists I've ever been to. Actually, she is the best. That's why I drive an hour sometimes to go see her. So, Styles by Gina. Look her up on Facebook and Instagram, because I manage her social media. And she's great. But I do need to go see her. She just gets booked up really fast, and I'm such a bad planner. I'm not a bad I'm gonna change that narrative in my life. I'm not a bad planner, I've just got a lot going on. Also, guys, I have been loving these earrings. My friend Ava told me about them. And you just get them off of Amazon. And it's so low key, but they look so eloquent. Like, I just love the hoops. I just love how small and dainty they are, and they just go with everything. I will link them in my wardrobe. So if you go to HannahLynnMiller.com and then /the wardrobe, it's like the dash wardrobe, it's there. And you can check it out, because these are just amazing. And then I've just been doing Maybelline everything, right? No, NYX is the great, okay, yeah. Maybelline Green Edition. I can't tell the difference between good mascara and bad. So I'm sorry. All mascara kind of stinks. Once you have experienced eyelash extensions, you're kind of discontent with mascara. And I don't have eyelash extensions in the budget, so I cannot do it. Also, I've kind of given up on doing it myself. I could probably rehash that, but I don't really feel like it. It's a lot of work, and it's kind of frustrating. It's so much easier to just like fall asleep at an eyelash technician and let them just handle it, you know? Oh, I got my nails done. This is like the first time in like 3 years. I wanted to go with my in-laws, but it didn't happen. My sister-in-laws. So I just went by myself. And I found a place near me that I actually like. The problem is, so there was a couple of things. The budget, obviously. And then also not finding one that I like in Oak Park, where I reside. And then also, the other problem has been that, COVID. Yes, I don't really want to be that close to somebody. And then also, people were super, like, weird about COVID and stuff. And I get it. It's like, it's needed. We need, you know, all of that. But I just got kind of tired of it, you know. So, I am late. I have to go to church, guys. But this was fun hanging out. Oh, this is the other Maybelline. I knew there was something else that I enjoy by Maybelline. This series of lipstick is like amazing, and it doesn't come off. It like lasts all day. Like when I did the morning show and I did school at night, it would last the entire time. Oh my gosh. Anyways. Yep. So, be patient with yourself. Always forever learn. But if you find yourself in a season of a lot of learning and a lot of growth, it's hard for everyone. And you just have to tell yourself, it's okay to be bad at this. And if you are telling yourself it's not okay, that is an irrational mindset, and we need to change that. Again, as always, thank you for watching and joining me, and please hit that subscribe button. See you in the next video.